Hi, my name is Stephanie Barnett. I'm a once homeschooled mom turned interior designer who specializes in hand renderings. And today I'm going to talk to you about Morpholio Board and how I use it to come up with my concepts for my design clients. I'm going to show you just a few tools that I absolutely love and use every time when I'm using Morpholio Board. So follow along. All right, friends, let's jump into this. Here is Morpholio Board. When I pull it up, all my designs are on here, all my projects are here. You can title them, you can do a blank, a custom, a simple template already done for you, but I would like to show you just a few things that I really enjoy when I'm using Morpholio Board. So let's go into here. I've already done these chairs, but I'm going to delete them and we're going to do them again. And I want to show you how I erase the background and the tools that are in Morpholio Board to make this a very easy process. Before that, I would like to show you that on the side here, it says Pinterest. That's right, guys. You can link your Pinterest to Morpholio Board, which makes things so easy for you to go in and find something that you have already saved and then add it to your design board. Most of the time I'm screenshotting something, saving it in my files, and then uploading it into whatever I'm working on. With Morpholio Board, you don't have to do that. So let's get into this. Here's a chair that I saved on my Pinterest board. I'm going to select it. After selecting it, I can also add it to a library. I can visit the site that it was at. I can even match the shape. There are a couple other things that you can do depending on the picture and where it came from, but these are the options right now for this specific chair. Right now, we want to add it to our board. Here it is. I'm going to close out that section on the side because I like my workspace just to be as big as possible. After I have blown it up, I'm going to come down here. It's not even a full circle, I don't know what to say, but you'll come down to this icon. You're going to select it. Once selecting it, it's going to have 3 different options at the top. We're going to have a cut, erase, or a wand. The wand is one of my favorites. Once you select that, this is going to take away the background area as much as possible. So as I select it to take it away, right here, you see it's taking it away. And I absolutely love that because I don't have to cut, I don't have to erase, it's going to take it away. But not all the time is it going to do that, and that's fine. It took away as much as possible. Now I'm going to move to my erase tool. With the erase tool, you can zoom in as much as possible on your iPad and then scale down on the size of the circle when you're erasing. That way you can get in as close as you want to the object to erase. So I use this all the time when selecting items and taking away the background, because not all the time will that wand take away everything that I want, or sometimes it won't even pick it up. So I'm going to speed through this and show you what this looks like after erasing everything. All right, I am done. Let's see what this looks like. All right, there we go. The background is completely gone, and we're going to cut it down. There's still some spots in there, but that's okay because we're going to cut it down and it's going to take those away completely. Now, after doing this, if you would like to duplicate it, because most of the time you're going to want 2 chairs, guess what? You're going to duplicate it and it's already going to be erased, so you won't have to go back and erase even more. So that's just a few of the tools in Morpholio Board that I thoroughly enjoy. There is so much more in here, but we'll get to that at a later time. Let's go back and let's look at a board that is completely done, and I want to show you what I really like when doing these design boards and then having to share them with clients that make it so much easier. So after I'm done designing a board, most of the time, some clients would like to know where I found these pieces. And if it's an e-design, then I'm going to send them links to what I've suggested, and that way they can just purchase it on their own. So down here, we have a cut sheet. that is going to show everything by itself. And if I have any notes or links, it's going to have it all there. So if I wanted to print this off and have it, it's going to take up a full sheet, which I absolutely love. But then if we go over here to list, it's going to have a whole list of all the items numbered. And right here, I can add a link to where I found this item, and then it can take them directly there and they will be able to go and purchase it on their own. To do that, you would have to unclick, and this is where you would copy and paste that link and send it right here. And then there is that link, and then you would undo it. And then if you would like to add a note to it, here you go. You can add right here anything that you would like. I put coffee table books because that's exactly what they are. Then after doing that, I'll go back to the board, and then I will send this. I can send it as an image, just one, or a PDF, or a project, or a PSD. It makes everything really easy when using Morpholio Board and sharing these with your clients. So if you have not downloaded Morpholio Board yet, I highly suggest that you go do that, and please tag me and tag Morpholio. We would love to see the designs that you're coming up with.